Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy Global. Very congratulations to our super and duper students who has cracked Gate 21 with a very good rank, that is rank 4, Akhil. So I just
Yes, sir.
welcome
Thank you,
Akhil
sir.
on this
Um,
particular Gate Academy Global channel because he said that he has learned so many things from Gate Academy Global channel also. That's why already he gave an interview on main channel, but I have just taken him on this particular Gate Academy Global channel because I want to introduce my South Indian students who is continuously watching Gate Academy Global channel, and I want to introduce Akhil to this particular channel also. That's why I'm taking interview here. So welcome Akhil.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. It's my honor. It's my honor, sir.
Yes, thank you, Akhil. So, Akhil, I am
Yes,
just going to put some questions so that the students will get attention and they may also think that they will also crack those who are planning to crack Gate 22. They will also plan according to you and they will get some motivation because you have got rank 4 and definitely the single digit rank motivates students very well. That's why
yes,
I
sir.
just put some questions and you just answered so that students will come to know that what is your plan, what is your strategy, and how do you come to know about Gate Academy and everything. Okay, Akhil. So
Okay,
just
definitely, sir.
I want to put one question. First question, that introduce yourself. That Akhil, from where are you and how do you come to know about Gate Academy and how you learn, because you are English speaking students and we are in
Yes.
general putting our lectures in Hindi language. So students want to know how you managed all those things.
Actually, I'm coming to my academics. I did my BTech in SV University, Tirupati, sir. I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir, actually.
Okay.
So, from South India.
Mm-hmm.
I coming to know about Gate Academy because of YouTube VODs only, sir. Umesh, sir. Mainly analog electronics and SAR subject control system.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm very weak in analog electronics, sir, that's for sure. But when I saw the analog electronics Umesh sir videos about
Mm-hmm.
op amps, I get
Mm-hmm.
good command on them, sir. I get interested in Gate Academy. That is one of the main reason I get interested, sir. Actually, one main problem what I face is actually about in language, sir. Actually,
Okay.
when I saw the videos at first in third year, I didn't understand a little bit difficulties there, sir, for me. When I
Mm-hmm.
am coming to see them properly day by day, I am able to understand everything. So now actually it is easy to, even it is in Hindi, it is
Mm-hmm.
not, it is just basic in sir. If anyone, it is not that much of hard language, sir. We can
Mm-hmm.
easily understand, sir.
That means you just start watching the videos and day by day you got tuning, got a fine tuning with our faculties of Gate Academy, and you
Yes, sir.
started understanding what they want to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Initially, it's a little bit tough, sir. But if we start watching this day by day, definitely we will understand, sir. They're simple words, sir. Actually, in Hindi also, there won't be so many hard words. Simple words, sir. Actually, they
Mm-hmm.
are in the videos. Actually,
That means in technical, we just don't have to care about what is the language. Just start watching the videos, and later you just going to tune with the faculties and what they are saying, and you just
yes, sir.
get understand the things, and you are enjoying right now.
Yes, sir. Definitely. That's one for sure, sir.
So
For
definitely
initially,
those,
even
yeah, yeah.
yes, sir.
So definitely those who are from South India and they just try to crack the next year 22 or 23 gate examination, and if they start watching the videos of Gate Academy, and later on they are just going to understand what the faculties are saying, either that is Hindi or English channel, it doesn't matter. Okay, I
Yes, sir.
think so you want
That
to say.
yes,
So, Akhil,
yes, sir. That, I
which
mean, that's what
particular product you taken from Gate Academy? Because we have
VOD
different
course, sir.
products.
Actually, VOD course.
Okay, VOD course. That means you purchased a full VOD course from us.
No, sir. Actually, I didn't purchase VOD course. Actually, what happened is I'm about to purchase day by day. I think at the same time, due to Corona pandemic, Gate
Uh-huh.
Academy has released a Gate Academy global channel, and they are providing English VODs to the South Indian people, sir. Actually,
Uh-huh.
I purchased communication VOD, sir. First,
Okay.
then later on, actually, Umesh sir announced scholarship for all the students. Then I get interested and I wrote the exam and I got scholarship on the scholarship test. Then I got the VOD course, and that's how I get the VOD course actually.
So that means you completed your study of this GATE 21 by VOD course of GATE Academy in Hindi
Yes,
language.
sir, by VOD course.
Okay. So Akhil, which particular subjects you do like most, and who is your favorite faculty in GATE Academy?
So Umesh sir, so one of that's the reason actually Umesh sir, Anlagalta is the reason I like the Gate Academy, and that's the reason I motivated to buy the courses in Gate Academy, sir. The second reason, when I get the VOD course, I started liking Das apps, sir. Das sir in EDC. Next is Sujay sir, Neeraj sir, sir.
Okay,
Then
that
again,
means
so
Analog Electronics, Umesh Dhande sir, Shishir Das, that
yes,
is me, EDC, and
yes, sir.
Sujay sir, Digital
Sujay sir.
Electronics and Signal System, Neeraj
Ah,
sir.
signal system, Neeraj sir.
Okay,
Neeraj sir, best sir, signal system. It is for sure, I can say. Sir will explain everything in depth manner and more problems. When we come to solve the other problems, it will be just simple, sir. Actually, simple. We can solve within minutes. It's sometimes within 30 seconds also. Which problems I am unable to do at first, I am able to solve them within seconds, sir. And that's what I get from Neeraj sir, sir.
mm-hmm. That means some trick you got from Neeraj sir, I think.
Yes, sir.
To how to solve the question within some within few seconds or
Yes.
minutes.
Yes. And coming to EDC,
Mm-hmm.
initially, actually, I'm actually 2020 passed out candidate, sir. I attempted this second time, sir. Actually, get
Mm-hmm.
2021.
Mm-hmm.
First time I got below 1,000 only, sir.
Okay.
When the Corona pandemic has started, I just wanted to take another attempt. If possibility is there, if I get below 100 rank, there is possibility of getting PSU.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one of the reason I had to second attempt. So I want to, I'm about, that's, like I said before, that's the time the Gate Academy Global has begun and English VODs are
Mm-hmm.
coming. And I purchased one communication VOD also, sir. Communication
Mm-hmm.
VOD.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Then again, scholarship, NST has been declared and I got the scholarship.
Mm-hmm. So, Akhil, what is your per day strategy? That means how you manage a single day. That means what is your time of study and what is your other
Okay, so
hobbies
we
and
will
what are the
start from the
things? How do you
beginning of
manage
the,
the day?
yes, sir. And I will start from the beginning, sir, actually, how I prepare the notes actually.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, from actually what I did for every subject, I will put some star marks to some concepts and some questions there. I will select the questions like that. They will cover almost so many concepts so that when it comes to revision, if I see them, I will
Mm-hmm.
be able to understand everything, sir. I will select that kind of questions. Some concepts which are not asked in gate, they are like simple but a little bit twist will be there. Those types of concepts. So that
Mm-hmm.
when I want to revise everything, it's not possible to revise everything. If I see those topics and those concepts, it will be easy for me for revise. For that's how I prepare the notes, sir. In
Mm-hmm.
coming to per day strategy, when I completed the whole syllabus,
Mm-hmm.
morning I will take one subject, sir. I will take that one subject and I will see every concept about the subject for 2 to 3 hours early in the morning, sir. 2 to 3 hours about
Mm-hmm.
everything. Just I will revise them, sir. Then
Mm-hmm.
again, I will start with doing questions about the subject that I picked. I will select the questions of each topic that which are very important questions
Mm-hmm.
previous years. Like that, I will solve the questions one by one. Like that, I will pick the subject and I will start. And every day I will this is mathematics and in aptitude also. Every day I will pick one topic about these subjects, mathematics and aptitude. I will pick one topic and I will do the problems on them in night, sir. Actually, at the night time. This is
Mm-hmm.
how I plan the per day strategy, sir.
Okay, so for any students who is starting preparing now, so what is the right time to start preparation? Either they can start from July, June or July month after finishing their final year, or you just suggest that whether they have to start early or they can manage the things after getting started from the month of June and July, and they will can be finished it up everything in the month of January. Is it possible if they do like that and get a good rank, that means a single digit rank after starting in June and July month?
It is actually based on the capability of the students, sir. But
Hmm.
I won't suggest to start when you must start to at least June must be there. I also started my June only, sir. Actually, I also started at June. From
Hmm.
June, I started studying dates, sir. So it is best to start in only June. If we take so much time, you must cover all the subjects from the basic, actually from basics. Sir. Sometimes actually it happens, sir. When we completed proper revision must be there, sir. When we complete the subject, we must revise properly. Without
Hmm.
revision, it's not possible for us to remember everything. So I suggest that definitely we must start by June, sir. Definitely. If we start August like that, if the student capability is very good and he is able to do it, is possible. It may be possible, sir. But if they want to get a good rank, definitely they must. They will, as soon as possible. If they start, it will be good, sir.
Hmm. So at which month you just start taking this mock test, and you have finished your complete syllabus? In which month you have finished and you started taking mock test and revision without taking long notes? You just started revision with short notes. What is that month? I want to know.
Month actually, I started doing December, sir. Actually, December, middle of December,
Mm-hmm.
I started giving mock tests in middle of December.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it is sometimes not possible for the final year students. Actually, I faced that kind of trouble when I am attempting the GATE 2020. At
Mm-hmm.
the middle of December, what will happen means we will get the academic test will be there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a bit difficult for the final year student to get to proper revision, sir. For the
Mm-hmm.
final year student, they must complete the syllabus, everything up to everything by October, sir. By October, they must complete it because for November and December, some mid exams will be there, SEMs will be there,
So if
practicals
final
will be
year
there.
students are trying to appear, they have to finish everything about preparation in the
By
month of
October.
October. Then only they can
Yes,
manage,
sir.
because in December month they have their semester examination.
Yes, sir. That will become problem for at least they will they complete everything by October. Then they can properly revise everything in January and giving mock test. It possibility of getting a good rank will be there, sir.
Mhm. So Akhil, when you come to know that you are going to get a fourth rank after examination, just after coming out from the examination hall, or
Actually,
after
when
getting
coming
some
out from
prediction of your marks, when you are coming get this?
coming out from the actually coming out from when I completed the exam, I came out. I just remember, sir, what are the questions. After
Mm-hmm.
3 to 4 questions, I got when I remember them, they are wrong, sir. Actually, I
Mm-hmm.
never thought I would do some such kind of silly mistakes, sir. You won't
Mm-hmm.
even think. I actually did one simple mistake in EDC also, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If I say every, it's a simple threshold value, sir. Threshold value equal to based on body to source voltage.
Mm-hmm.
They must differentiate. Actually, what I missed differentiation. I missed root x. 1/2 root. Actually, I want to do that. Actually, I missed that one too. Just for that, I lost 2 marks, 2.66.
Mm-hmm.
That's simple mistake. I coming to know about I am able to get good rank actually when I got memorize all these questions, so many false are there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I thought possibility I may have get to 150, 200 something like that.
Mm-hmm.
When my response sheet is released, when I see all the rank predictors, I came to know there is possibility I can get below 50, below
Mm-hmm.
50, sir, actually I thought, but actually it's become single digit rank four, sir.
Okay. Akhil, did you use any textbook for your preparation?
No, sir. Actually, I didn't use any system. Actually, I managed the test series only, sir.
Hmm.
Test series and Data Academy, Volume 1, Volume 2.
Okay. So, Akhil, did you watch YouTube sessions also in addition to your VOD course
Yes, sir.
of
I
Gate Academy?
saw comeback questions, my 10 questions. I followed all of them, sir, actually.
So that means you are
Reason-
continuously following the sessions.
Yes, sir. And yes, sir. I followed, sir. Actually, I followed all the systems maximum.
Hmm. So, Akhil, one question I have in my mind that what is the best planning if anyone wants to prepare? Then, what tips or suggestion you want to give to students so that they can prepare very well for if they start planning for Gate 22 or 23? Because your tips definitely work. That's why I'm asking.
So first of all, actually, when if they are studying in the third year or fourth year,
Mm-hmm.
main thing we face is actually environment of our surroundings are actually surroundings. One student may be studying, the other students will play. Then we get interest in playing, sir. First
Mm-hmm.
thing we must make our environment like that. We will get interest in studying, sir. We must maintain that environment of our surroundings. First one, maybe we
Mm-hmm.
must keep that in mind.
Mm-hmm.
Second thing, what actually every student will do, I also did the same mistake, sir. When the coaching, if you ask classroom coaching or online coaching,
Mm-hmm.
if the subject is completed, when the subject is going on,
Mm-hmm.
we won't revise, do the problems on the subject. We won't revise them, sir. Sometimes it happens. When
Mm-hmm.
2, 3 subjects are completed, when we are about, everyone is saying you took the course, if you didn't even qualify,
Mm-hmm.
how it will be. They
Mm-hmm.
feel and they start when they were about to start. What will happen? 3 subjects already been completed, so
Okay.
they will they will come to in a dilemma. What I want to do.
Mm-hmm.
So the best thing we must do if any student in such dilemma, they must want to divide a week into 2 parts. First 3 days they must revise the previous subject which is already completed.
Mm-hmm.
Next 3 subjects to the subject which is ongoing now.
Mm-hmm.
Like that they must proceed, sir. If any student is started revising and preparing and work out all the problems time to time, it will be good, sir. Actually,
Mm-hmm. That means revision
that's
is
one.
very, very must and necessary thing for getting good marks in any competitive examination. Because if
Yes,
you,
sir. Definitely.
okay,
2 to 3 times revision must be there, sir. Actually,
so you have
um,
to revise each and every subject 2 to 3 times.
yes, sir. There are, by putting those star marks, I said initially, we must put some concepts, some important problems, and the problems that will contain so much of concept. Like that, we must consider those kind of problems. If you do those kind of problems at the last, at the end, almost January ending like that, we
Mm-hmm.
will get so much idea about. We will revise everything very fastly, sir. We must revise very fast. A smart revision must be strategy must be there, sir. Smart revision strategy.
Mm-hmm. So, Akhil, did you make any strategy to attack in problems during 3 hours duration of gate examination? Did you make any strategy that I will do aptitude
Actually,
question first or maths question first, like that? I will attack on EDC or analog, and I will start from 2 marks or 1 marks, like that. Did you make any strategy?
I didn't make any strategies. When I see a question, sir, I
Mm-hmm.
just to see for 20 seconds. I read the question within 20 seconds. I will
Mm-hmm.
come to know whether it takes time or not, whether it is problematic. There is a possibility of twist is there. I will understand that, and it is possible. It is easy question. Definitely, I will do it, sir. If there is any problem, any twist may be possible, then I will skip the question, sir. I will put it that in review. Then if there is any question, if I didn't even about to understand anything, then I leave the question. I will maintain like that, sir. I will go by order, sir. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
first max
That
aptitude.
means you didn't skip any question, just you are following the order. And if any
Yes, sir.
questions, if you are not getting that one, just you skip that one and you move on to the next. That is your.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's I maintain that one, sir. Actually,
So there is no subject wise strategy. You didn't make any subject wise strategy.
I didn't make any subject research. Sometimes it will be risky, sir, if we make like that. Sometimes
Hmm.
actually in Gate 2021, what they actually did Gate IIT Bombay, they just changed the type of questions they give. Actually, basic subjects must be easy, sir.
Hmm.
EDC, MPL, those subjects must be a little bit hard. But actually, what they did, they changed it and they give the basics from the basic subject. They give tough questions.
Hmm.
From the tough subject, they will give simple questions, sir. They
Hmm.
twist just like that. That's why it become problematic to get ranks, sir. Actually, in present 2021 EC, that's what they did, sir. Actually,
Hmm.
basic subject they change tough questions. From hard subjects, simple questions and average questions.
So that means you have to think like that. That means concept wise, average question, simple question. You have to get the idea before the examination so that you can attack properly the questions during the 3 hours duration of examination.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
Okay, Akhil, that means this is pandemic situation has come in 2020, and I think that you didn't follow any online courses before this pandemic, and during this pandemic you followed the online courses and you got success in that. So, did you feel any difficulty in following the online courses when you jumped from offline to online courses?
No,
And
sir, actually, I feel very comfortable in online only, sir. Actually, there will be, everyone thinks online, offline will be best. Actually, online is best, sir, for me. Online. I feel very comfortable in only online, sir.
Mhm. Okay. So you are more
Just
comfortable
call
in
you.
online
Yes, sir.
in
Actually,
comparison to
we
offline.
start and end the online classes at time. Actually, in remote course, we can. It's in our hands, sir. Actually, per day, if we want to learn for 10 hours or 12 hours, we can do it, sir. But in offline coaching, that we didn't have that in our hands, sir. Actually, in management happening, sir.
Mhm. So Akhil, did you followed any quote for yourself so that you make yourself motivated for everyday work?
I would actually, as actually I did sometimes. I even felt fear if what happens if I didn't get a good rank.
Mhm.
Actually, I will certain close friends are there, sir. I will call to them, sir. Actually, when I said them, I'm getting fear, like they will motivate me, sir. Actually, oh, no
Mhm.
problem. You can definitely do it. Actually, talking to one close to us, definitely they will motivate us, sir, to get it done. We must talk to the persons who will motivate us, sir, who have positive thinking about us, who will appreciate us. If we speak to the persons like that, definitely we will get motivated.
Mhm. Okay, Akhil, I think students has got so many ideas after getting your interview right now in Gate
Thank you.
Academy Global Channel, and I thank you for coming to Gate Academy Global Channel, and I just
Thank
want
you, sir.
to say congratulations to you. And one final question: that what is your next plan? Next plan? Uh, did you do you select some PSU or you want to go for higher studies?
Higher studies, sir. Actually, I want to go for higher studies only, sir. IISc Bangalore. Actually, I invested in real microelectronics real estate.
Mhm.
Specialization.
Okay, Akhil. So, all the best for your future. And just I want to say the students that you just have to do what Akhil has done for himself, and he has cracked the gate with so good rank. So you have to follow what Akhil is saying right now in this particular channel, and just believe in yourself and get touch with those person who is motivating you continuously, and definitely you are going to crack each and everything that you have aimed for. Okay. Thank you, Akhil, and thank you,
Thank you.
students.
Thank you, sir.